Which one of you gentlemen did this? Huh? It's been going a while, hasn't it? You leave it alone. You three boys leave that water alone.